The decision will have impact across the Bay Area, especially San Francisco, which have been fighting its own court battles.
ABC 7 News reporter Luz Pena is here with a look at what this ruling will mean in San Francisco. Luz?
That's right. Since the fall of 2022, San Francisco has been facing its own lawsuit from the Coalition on Homelessness. That case argues that San Francisco has been conducting dehumanizing encampment sweeps. The case in front of the Supreme Court today takes it a step further, making it a crime for anyone without a home to sleep outside. The case, City of Grants Pass versus Johnson, is the most significant case on homelessness in more than 40 years. It would make it a crime for anyone without a home to sleep outside when they have no other option.
Try as hard as possible, to find some shelter. But the shelters that they have in the city, they're not too good.
James Johns has been homeless in San Francisco for 8 years. He may sleep on the streets, but he's well informed of what the Supreme Court is hearing today.
I think it should concern everybody, whether you're homeless or not.
There are more than 7,700 homeless individuals in San Francisco. The Supreme Court's hearing comes as the city fights an injunction that blocks it from removing homeless encampments from streets if there's no shelter available.
We have in recent years invested billions of dollars in a compassionate services and shelter first approach to addressing homelessness.
City Attorney David Chu is hopeful the Supreme Court's decision will help San Francisco.
Many of the justices pointed out how these complicated issues are best handled by local cities, local communities, local policymakers, not necessarily by a federal judge or a number of federal judges. From our perspective, we think cities like San Francisco, we need a bit more flexibility to address the crisis on our streets.
Today, the majority of Supreme Court justices appeared sympathetic towards the City of Grants Pass. At Glide Foundation, that's concerning.
Our population would really be impacted by just being more criminalized than they already are. We know people are across the board looking for ways to help the unhoused community, but jailing, fining is not the solution.
Yet the president of the Soma Business Association is hoping for a change. He points to people sleeping on sidewalks as a huge challenge to businesses.
If we were to take up the space on the sidewalk, we'd get a penalty. Right? No time at all, we'll get a bill from DPW saying you owe us $1,000. And yet these folks can put up a tent, taking up the whole tent, the whole sidewalk that's not then accessible for ADA, and it's okay for them.
Last month, Governor Newsom submitted a brief in support of the overturning of Grants Pass. The Supreme Court is expected to make a decision by the end of June. Luz Pena, ABC 7 News.
Luz, thank you.